Okay, so welcome back guys again here to another video tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how to animate in PowerPoint. So let's click add the title. So the title is gonna be PowerPoint. The subtitle gonna be tutorial. So let's animate this page. To animate this page, go to the transitions. I want the shred effect. So to animate the word PowerPoint, go in animations. There's entrance, FEs, exit, and motion paths effects. Here, if you want more, click more entrance effect, or more emphasis effect, or more exit effect, or more motion path. I want exit it. Okay, let's lower the duration. Then let's animate the tutorial by pounds. Then let's add an emphasis effect for this PowerPoint title. It's darken. Oops, I did actually dark. No, um, 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 no, it's not. Underline. Let's try underline. Okay, and the tutorial. Let's add animations. Um, Bold reveal. Okay, so let's see the slide by clicking the slideshow. Click it. Click this. Click it again. Click. Then click. Okay, so let's end the PowerPoint. So let's create a new slide. Our new slide will gonna be content with captions. So GIF, GIF. Um, so let's add some image. So dragging and drop. Is this? Pictures. GIF is the kind of pictures. And we're gonna using this insert. Okay, so this GIF, let's animate this word GIF. More transparent strips. Okay, this let's lower the duration to 5. So let's add some placeholders. A text here. So a image def is a kind of a image white. Then this one GIF. Let's use the underline animation. This oops. I'm wrong again. I forgot to add animation. Add animation. Underline. It's okay. Let's add animation here. Bold reveal. This page. Let's animate this page by timcode. So to make it autonomous, if you click this first slide, make it on after previous, this after previous, so this um, um after previous, then this after previous. So the transition, oops, there's okay. This okay, let's try to do it as I show. Oops. See, then see if you can work. So you can see this in GIF because I put a GIF in there. So let's click it now. Let's delete this GIF. So let's add a new GIF. I want this. So let's slideshow, add a slideshow. Then see. See it. Let's search on let's add a section here. I have many GIF in my computer because I love and it's animated with the animations. Okay, let's see if it can work. Let's just see in here. Animation on this. Let's see. Okay, so I think you now already know how to animate in PowerPoint. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you.